Hello, Bangkok! Say hello to my vlog. Pinakawalan ko na yung dalawa kasi nauubusan na ako ng English, di ba? Alam mo yung mga limited lang yung English ko. My God, good luck talaga. Guys, it's another day here in Bangkok, Thailand, and welcome back to my channel. So, ang itinerary ko for today, magte-temple hopping ako. So, good thing is, yung hotel ko, yung sa Prince Heritage Hotel, malapit lang siya dito sa pier, guys. Hop on and hop off na boat, going to different temples. Ito na lang tayo, bro. Baka masagasaan ako. Ayan. So, may mall dito pala, guys. Yung Central, parang something Central Mall. And it's Center Point Hotel. Ayan, guys. So, after niyang ano na yan, parang skyway na yan, pagtawid niyan is yan na yung pier. Nakabook ako ng Klook na boat ride. So, for just 140 baht, almost 300 or mga 290 or 280 yung price ng hop-on, hop-off ticket. Tatawid muna ako, guys. Baka sagasaan ako dito. Exit 2 daw. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. So, guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa pier ng hindi ko alam. Lagi na lang hindi ko alam. Basta pier to, guys. Okay, so andito na tayo ngayon sa pier kung saan sasakay tayo nung yung boat, Chao Phraya River. So, ang tawag sa mga boat na yan pala is Chao Phraya Tourist Boat. Meron din silang Chao Phraya Express Boat. Siguro ito yung mga boat, nakita ko lang sa YouTube, na ito yung mga boat na dire-diretso lang, walang drop-off. So, isang lang siya, isang station lang yung pupuntahan mo. Okay, so maghanap muna tayo dito ng pwedeng i-redeem yung Klook ticket natin. Guys, hindi ko alam saan yung pang Klook, ano? So, hanapin muna natin. Chao Phraya Express Boat, hop on. Chao Phraya Tourist Boat. Ayan tayo. Hop on. Okay. Dun tayo. Oh, ha? Good morning. I can redeem my Klook ticket or voucher. Okay. So, guys, i-redeem natin here.
How many pesos?
One. Me only. So guys, we are now redeeming the Klook ticket. Oh,
Thank you.
okay. Okay, what time is the next boat?
5 minutes.
Oh my God! Where will I go? Thank you. Kapong ka. Nagulat siya sa akin, guys. Kasi, this way. Okay. Sabi niya kasi 5 minutes, kaya nagulat ako. Blue flag. So, all day river pass. Po 8:30 ang start. So, every 30 minutes naman kasi pwede. Kaya, kaya pwede to. Sa boarding pass, all day river pass. So, 9:53, it's about, siguro mga 8 minutes or 5 minutes from now, sasakay na tayo. So, our first hop, I don't know. Meron naman silang dito, Meron silang mapa ng ng pa-river. First hop is hindi ko alam. First hop. Boarding pass, unlimited hopping in one day. Okay. So it's unlimited hopping in one day, boarding pass. Ayan. So, sana smooth lang, smooth sailing. So, kahit saan siguro. Basta unlimited hopping tayo, no? Do you think, guys? Advise me if you can. Wait lang natin, guys. Makikisunod lang tayo sa mga, sa mga bagay-bagay. Kasi, iba yung unlimited, iba ata yung expressway. So, yung expressway kasi, diretso sila doon sa pier na gusto nila. Wala nang hop-hop yon. Pag unlimited, pinakaunang pier na madadaungan or madadaanan is magsa-stop over sila. So, yun yung kinuha natin. Wait lang, kasi 9:55 na. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Wait lang, meron na kasing boat guys. O, tignan nyo ha. Ayan may boat na. Pang tumatakbo-takbo siya. Pang social na boat ata yan. Not yet here?
Right here.
Okay.
Limited.
Coming.
You buy ticket na 150 baht. You check. You have the map and timetable.
Okay.
Eh.
Okay. Parang galit siya, guys. Nagtatanong. Parang galit siya. Nagtatanong na naman ako ng maayos, di ba? Sana hindi siya galit, no? Kasi I'm just asking politely. Char. Sige, wait natin. Yung isang tao, watch siya sa akin. Watch minini siya sa akin. Pang ibang boat kasi. Hindi ko kasi alam kung anong klaseng boat yung sasakyan ko. Hindi ko naman tinatanong sa kanya kung anong magiging arrangement. Ito, alam ko na yung arrangement. Ang tanong ko lang sa kanya, andito na ba yung boat? Is the boat here or not? Kasi 5 minutes na sabi eh. Anong oras na Guess niya ako guys. Guess niya ba kung ano ibig ko sabihin? Baka ito na yun, we commit to climbing. Baka yan na yun, no? Basta makikisunod lang tayo sa mga ano. So, ayan guys. Ayan Wat, Raj, Zinkom, Sathon, and 33. Yan yung ano natin sa boat. Ha? Okay guys. Pag nakasakay na tayo sa boat, I will let you know. Guys, ito nagtatawag na sila ng mga sasakay. I think ito na nga ata yun sa Kaso nga lang, iba yung kulay ng ano nila. 150. Kasi online. Online ako nagbayad. Siguro dito sila. Ito sa akin kasi guys, 140 baht lang ako. Online. May discount ako. Yung mga sa Klook na discount code, promo code, yun lang yun. So, eto na yung ano. So, 140 baht lang. Nakatipid tayo ng 10 baht. Okay, magkano yung 20 pesos din? So, 150 yung kanila kasi dito sila bumili. Kaya iba yung kulay, parang brown. Sa akin kasi blue. Sige, wait natin guys ha. Kasi nakapila na kami. Tingnan mo. Yan. Pila na, di ba? Ata yung sasakyan ng mga express. Tsaka yung sa all-day river pass. Tingin ko same lang. Pero siguro pagbaba nila, hindi sila makakaakyat ulit kasi natatakan na yung ano nila. Parang passport. Uy, umuuga-uga shoota. Umuuga-uga siya guys. Hawak tayo. So, eto yun. Medyo marami din magdi-day tour ngayon, ha? To think na Monday ngayon. Kaya nga ako ngayon nag-detour kasi Monday. Diba? Hindi ko dinator kahapon. Talagang inallocate ko yung kahapon sa shopping. Okay. So, guys, I think we will ride up. Uy, galit siya? Bakit parang galit siya, guys? Ano daw? Huwag kang dumaan dito, sabi niya. Huwag kang dumaan dito. Ganon. Bakit pa kasi nagagalit? Sa taas na tayo, guys. Sa taas na tayo. Meron naman doon sa baba, but I think I'm going up. Bahala nang umisin tayo, guys. Kasi I want to see the rivers of Babylon. Guys, dito na ako sa taas. It's so nice here. Diba? Ay, parang gusto ko doon sa harap. Harap tayo, guys, ha? I'm here upstairs. Oh my God, it's so nice here. Talang guys, oh, hello Bangkok. It's so nice in here. Oh, you can see the, the tall buildings of Bangkok here. Look at that. Okay. There's the Shangri-La Hotel. Center Point. Doon tayo galing. Doon tayo galing, guys. I-video natin yung magjowa. Kasi ang bagay sila, guys. O, diba? Sana all. Charot.
ท่าเรือต่อไปไอคอนสยามผู้โดยสารที่ต้องการไปศูนย์การค้าไอคอนสยามได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้ Next Pier Icon Siam Star Eye Alight here for Icon Siam Shopping Mall 暹罗天地
Na kinukuha na ng ticket natin, guys. Kapon ka! Oh, ayaw niyang sumagot. Bala ka. Basta nagkapon ka ako. Ito na Icon Siam Pier. Bababa ba tayo sa Icon Siam, guys? Parang ayoko. Icon Siam Pier? Ano meron dyan sa Icon Siam?
ไอคอนสยาม ไอคอนสยาม โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
Okay. Ayoko bumaba dito, guys, di ba? Dito sa Icon Siam, guys, merong Cherwin Nakron Road, Somet Prachaw, Taksin Road. Ayoko dyan. N5 tayo next, guys. Guys, hindi ako natakot umitim, no? Ang init-init ang araw. Alas 10 na umaga, guys. Init ang araw, pero ang ganda ng Icon Siam. Tignan nyo, guys. Diba? Oh, Icon Siam. And then, there's a lot of tall buildings over there, oh. Oh, diba? Icon Siam. Ito yung parang regular na boat nila, guys. Oh, yung parang pasahero-pasahero lang. Oh, yan. Oh. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Sawadika! Oh, di ba? Ay! Ayan, guys. So, next station, or next pier, guys, is... Let me check for you, ha? Let me check. The next station, guys, is N5. Ratchawong. Oh, there's a temple over there. So, we'll drop off there. Ratchawong. So, Ratchawong. Wow! Millennium Hilton. Guys, look at that. Ganda, diba?
ท่าเรือต่อไป ราชวงศ์ N5 เยา
Ang
วราช
skin,
ได้ที่ท่า
pwede
เรือ
pa yung mabalik, guys. Pero yung
Next
memories
pier,
dito,
Ratchawong.
hindi na. Diba?
N5.
Kaya okay lang mainit, guys.
Alight here
Kasi
for
look at that.
Chinatown. Sanping Market.
Chinatown!
ถังเหริน
Oh,
เจีย
River City, guys. Oh. There's a River City and the anchor of arts and antiques in the River City. Ang init, guys. Alas ko, Lord. Bakit ganon? Alam nyo, guys, bala ko sana dalhin yung payong kanina. Buti na lang hindi ko dinala. Alam nyo kung bakit nakakahiya. Yung mga afam dito, hindi nagpapayo. Ako nagpapayo. Ate-ate, ano ako, Disney Princess? Naka-chandals lang tayo para more walking talaga yung ganap natin for today, guys. Yung magjowa sa likod, guys. Sana all, di ba? Sana all. Pero bagay sila. Hindi kayo tao, hindi kayo hayop. Bagay kayo. Bagay na bagay. Guys, we are arriving now at N5 station. Okay, and N5 station is the Ratchawong station. Okay, in Ratchawong station, there's an MRT in Wat Wang Kok BL29, and there's Chinatown there. So we will hop off or drop off there, guys, ha? Okay, sige. Itong dalawang afam na to na mag-asawa naman, gore na sila. Gore na sila. So na-imagine ko, guys, yung magjowa sa likod, pag tumanda sila, magiging ganito sila. Diba? Oh, sahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ganon. We are dropping off Chinatown, and then there's a temple here. Hindi, parang huwag na tayong pumasok sa temple, guys, no? What do you think? Hindi ko nga plano na pumasok sa Grand Palace, guys, kasi 500 baht yun. Nasa mga 800 pesos yun. Yung ibang temple, 100 lang yung mga entrance. Yun na yung papasukan natin, yung mga 100. Ganyan. Pero yung 500 sa Grand Palace, uy, sa labas na ako mapapicture. Uy, temple lang din naman yan. Uy, nakakatakot naman yung ano, guys. Oh, it's scary. Right. It's a crane. It's a crane, Marco. It's a crane. Oh, there's a flood. There's a lot of good sightseeing here. Oh, we are now arriving at N5. And there is the Chinatown station.
ราชวงศ์
Oh, Ratchawong.
ราชวงศ์สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้ กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ
Imong na wong, Ratchawong.
Ratchawong. For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit. โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ
Guys, so
Please mark the
30
gap
minutes, every
between
30
the
minutes
boat
may
and the
boat,
pier.
no? So, it's currently 10:12, so I think we can hop on later at 11. Hindi naman kaya yung 10:30, di ba? Kasi that's 18 minutes pa lang. 18 minutes lang. So, it's 10:12. Hop off tayo dito sa Ratchawong Pier kasi may mga temple din dito eh. At saka Chinatown, nandito yung Chinatown nila, no? Kakain tayo, doon tayo magbe-breakfast and then 11 na tayo ano ulit, di ba? Yan yung afam mga sexy naman ni ate girl. Ate girl is on fire. Okay. Ang sweet naman eh. Di ba? Sana all. Sana all lang talaga. Chinatown! Kapun ka! Ayaw nila sumagot. Guys. Bakit ayaw nila sumagot? Nag-i-effort ako magkapun ka, di ba? So, ayan. Here is the exit of waiting sila guys. Yung mga waiting area dito, no? So, kailangan ba natin patatakan yung passport natin or hindi? I don't think so. No? Tuloy-tuloy lang ang paglabas siguro. Ata? I don't know. Wala namang magpatatak. Basta. Para na sila dyan. Kasi may boarding pass ako. No? Pero hindi ko alam sa anong Chinatown. Okay. Kanya-kanya, kasi to guys? Emerlu. Ratchawong Pier. Ratchawong Pier. Maganda ba yung mga nakikita nyo guys? Comment down below kung nagagandahan kayo sa mga nakikita nyo, ha? Okay. Lalo na kay na Cassie at Raysan. Comment down. Okay? Comment lang kayo. Hanapin pa natin yung Chinatown. Guys, we are lost. We are lost. I think it's going there. So,
Still lost?
so I'm still lost. I think going there.
Okay.
You're going to the Chinatown.
Yes.
Yeah, Chinatown.
I'm going to the Chinatown also to eat and then temple after.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go with you. I'm lost. Is it your first time here in Bangkok?
Yes.
First time. My second time here.
Okay.
But during the first time, I went to Pattaya.
Okay.
I went to Pattaya. I didn't stroll around the city. I've been here 5 years ago, 2019.
Yeah.
And this is my second time, just for the city tour.
You vlogging?
Vlogging, yes. You say hello to my vlog. This is just a personal vlog. I'm uploading it on my personal YouTube. You're from what country?
UK.
Yeah,
UK. Oh, okay. So how many days are you going to spend here in Thailand?
We're here. Well, how long are we in Thailand?
Yes,
I'm
how-
here 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Wow, good for you. I've been to Cambodia for 2 days and then I get back here in Bangkok last Friday. And then today I'm strolling around solo. I'm all alone. You still have more days here in Thailand, in Bangkok.
Today.
Yeah, just today.
Just today. Where are you going after? Pattaya?
Chiang Mai.
Oh, that's a very nice city also. I haven't been there. There's a lot of beautiful beaches there. That's what they told me. It's a very nice place. So I hope I can go there someday. Here in Thailand, I'm having a hard time talking to the locals. They don't know how to speak English very well. It's really hard. I'm having a hard time like asking for direction. So where are we now? I also want to explore I think we're almost there. Over there on that highway with the traffic light, and then we are going right. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Here, Chinatown, Bangkok. Oh, right? This one? Oh, there's a shortcut here. I think this is it.
Oh,
What are you going to do in Chinatown? You're checking in?
My shoes are rubbing.
Oh, I see. Is it broken?
No,
Blister.
Ah, okay. Me, I think I'm just going to eat breakfast there and then I'm going to the temple after. Are you going to the temple now? Ah, okay. Oh, the opposite side.
Okay.
Opposite side.
Okay.
So guys, I would like you to meet my new friends here from UK. What's your name again?
Kira.
Kira and
Shay.
Shai. I'm JB.
Nice.
JB. Okay, so I think I will look for some breakfast and then you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay? Bye-bye! So guys, pinakawalan ko na yung dalawa kasi nauubusan na ako ng English, di ba? Alam mo yung mga limited lang yung English ko. Kaya sinabi ko na lang mag-breakfast na ako. I think we can eat something here. Tom Yum noodles. Tom Yum noodles. What do you think, guys? Parang masarap yung Tom Yum noodles. Ayun, guys. Chicken rice. No, I'll look for another, ano. Lumayo na kayo. Lumayo na kayo kasi kakain ako. Guys, parang ano talaga to, Divisoria. Ayan, marami din palang mga tinda-tinda dito na mura lang. Ito sa Chinatown. Naku, maubos yung oras ko dito. Parang hindi natin ma-accomplish yung target natin na 11 a.m. guys. I think it's 11:30. No? Okay, so sige, hanap pa tayo ng makakainan. Andyan pa sila, yung mga afam guys. Lumayo-layo na kayo. Naubusan ako ng Jinglish, di ba? Pero ito kasi yung Chinatown eh. At this is it eh. Alam ko ito na yun eh. Chinatown. Mukhang mag-aabot pa rin kami ng mga landas to, ng mga afam guys. Pero ang bait-bait nila no, parang taga-UK. And then, ang ano lang nila, ang pleasant lang nila kasama at kausap. Eh, hindi naman kami pare-pareho ng itinerary. Si ate girl, naghahanap siya ng shoes kasi nagpaltos na ata yung ano niya, shoes niya. So, naghahanap siya ng shoes. Eh, dapat si ate guy, si kuya guy kasi naman, dapat kasi, hinubad na yung shoes niya. Pinano niya, talagang ano ka ha, so, mahal mo si ate girl, kailangan ipaano mo yung sapatos mo. Siguro hindi niya mahal si ate girl. Ano? May issue. Oh, andyan na naman sila. Okay, minto. Don't stop believing. Pero parang nakita ko sa banda doon. Yung, ano, banda dito. Ah, guys, ayan siya. Oh. Nakikita mo na yung Chinatown something. Oh, this is it. This is really is it. Oh, diba? So, anong kakainin natin, guys? What are we going to eat? Kailangan natin kumain, guys. Or else, mamamatay tayo sa gutom. Diba? Ayun na naman sila. I need to eat. I need to eat. Dito tayo. Pasok tayo dito. Kunwari. Ay, wait lang. Ano meron sila? Fried rice squid. And then, fried rice with curry powder. Ah. Stir-fried rice noodles. Puro na ako noodles, guys. Parang sunod-sunod yung pag-noodles ko, no? So, yung kakaiba naman. Yung unusual. Dito kaya tayo. Yung pang breakfast na tayo, guys, no? Bitter melon chicken noodles. What do you think? Or pork sausage yum. Or something na ano, may egg. May egg. Yung 70. Wait lang. Breakfast. O move forward tayo. Wala tayong gustuhan dyan. Ah, ito na yung Chinatown. Ayan. Puro na lang ako, ito yung Chinatown. Ito na yung Chinatown mismo, yung buong town. Ang ibig ko sabihin yung center ng Chinatown. Yes. Original Thai cuisine. Oh. Crab meaty curry with fermented rice noodle. Okay. And then pad thai, free noodle. Pasok tayo dito guys ha. Ay, wag na lang pala. Natakot ako. I'm scared. Ay, eto pa. Meron din silang pad thai. Huwag tayo dyan. Move forward pa tayo guys ha. May mga tuk-tuk din dito. Siyempre sa Thailand pa tayo. No? Chinatown, Bangkok nga, di ba? Okay. Oh, nagagalit siya. Okay, mag-away ha? Kasi makikita sa vlog ko nag-aaway kayo. Oh, sige, away kayo. Away. Away dito, away doon. Bakit kayo ganyan? Gutom na nga yung tao. Aaway pa kayo dyan. Charot! Doon tayo, oh. Chinese restaurant. Siyempre, Chinatown to. Dapat Chinese food yung kinakain natin, guys. Tawed! 65 baht. Let's see. What's this? Parang sarap siya. Ayan, oh. Dito tayo kumain. Parang wala tao, eh. I want to see the menu. Pasok tayo. Hello. Hanap din ng menu, guys. Parang mamahalin dito, pero okay lang. Basta masarap. In the menu? Okay. Can I see first? Thank you. So guys, we are here at a restaurant, a local restaurant here. So, check natin kung ano yung masarap. Guys, ito na yun. This is it. Guys, ayoko dito. Thank you. Guys, lumabas ako. Kasi yung presyuhan niya, 350 baht isa. Imagine mo yung 350 baht. Yung isang maliit na ano yan? Nasa 700. Ano makakana kong 700? Ganyan. Crispy fried chicken rice. Puti pa dito kasi may crispy fried chicken rice. What's the boiled chicken? Boiled chicken. This one, what's this? Singapore chicken rice. Guys, mag-Singapore chicken rice na lang kaya tayo, no? And then, crispy fried chicken. With rice?
Yes.
Rice. Guys, eto siya, yung Singapore chicken rice. Chinese, naman din siya. So, I think I'm good with this one na. With rice na siya, tsaka may mga soup pa siya. Pero, how about the fried chicken? This one, fried and steam combination? Mix. I like mix. One mix. So guys, thank you. Thank you. Nagalog. So meron ako, in order ko is mixed, fried, and steamed chicken rice. Okay, so let's eat here. It's only 95 baht. Compare mo naman doon 350 guys, doon sa kabila. Diba? Naka-aircon kasi sila, kaya mahal. Okay. So, let's wait for the order. Bilis lang naman siguro yan. Tignan mo. Ito yung restaurant nila. And then, meron sila dito. Tignan mo guys. Yung sabaw. Wow! Looks so yummy. And then, the soup. And then, ito yung mga guys. Yung almoranas natin. Wow! What's this? What do you call it? Singapore. Kapon ka. Yan. Singapore yan. Ano pala siya? So guys, tumating na yung order natin. Ito na yung mixed fried tsaka steamed chicken. So meron silang rice. Parang fried rice siya. Ito yung fried chicken. Tsaka ito naman yung steamed chicken. So we can like experience both the fried and the steamed chicken. At guys, ito naman yung sausawan nila. Merong sweet chili, meron din siyang parang anghang, sobrang anghang. Then nahingi din ako ng onting parang garlic na at saka yung green na not sure kung ano. So, tikman na natin guys yung food nila. Okay. Ang sabaw muna guys. Oh wow, yung sabaw nila guys may laman. Yung free soup nila may laman. Diba? Sana pala hindi na ako nag-order rice tsaka free soup na lang. Charot. Oh my God! Sobrang lasang-lasa nung sabaw. Chicken broth na parang madaming mga spices, paminta. May nalalasahan din akong parang star anise na sa sabaw. Ang sarap, sobra. Ang sarap ng sabaw, guys. As in, sabaw pa lang. Sob na ako, okay lang yan. Una natin tikman yung fried chicken nila. Okay, so yung fried chicken nila, isaw-saw natin doon sa dito sa parang sweet chili sauce. Try natin. Yung fried chicken nila, guys, hindi siya ganun ka-crispy na fried chicken. Pero, yung balat niya, malasa. Malasa yung balat niya. At, para talaga siyang nanunuot. Makakompare ko siya sa mga bonchon na chicken. Ganun. Hindi nga lang siya ganun ka-crispy, yung fried chicken. Pero sobrang sarap. Sticky rice pala to. Sticky rice na lagyan nila ng oyster sauce. Ganon, parang sticky rice with oyster sauce. Next na titikman naman is yung nila, yung steamed chicken. Steamed chicken naman yung tikman natin. Okay. So let's see. Ito daw yung green, Singaporean sauce daw itong green. Hindi ko alam kung maanghang ba ito o hindi, pero sana hindi. Sana parang hindi siya tulad ng wasabi, no, na sobrang anghang. But let's try. Similar nga siya sa wasabi, guys. Pero ito nga lang, hindi siya manghang. Parang lighter version ng wasabi ng Japan. Ito, Singaporean to. Sarap pa din siya. Guys, for 95 ba? Diba? Ito yung set ng pagkain. It's really yummy. Sticky rice. Okay. Next is itong sausawan na parang may garlic. Parang ayaw ko siyang sausawan. Hindi ko natikman. Garlic nga siya. Ito namang anghang. Okay, pang finale natin yung anghang, no? Fried chicken, isausaw natin dun sa maanghang. My God, good luck talaga. Oh my God. Ang sarap, guys. Walang halong any. Ang sarap ng maanghang. I was expecting na exploding yung anghang niya, but it's not. Katamtaman lang. So guys, hindi nyo ko itong pagkain ko. Hindi yung pagkain ko, yun lang. Sarap lahat. Okay? At meron pa hindi natikman. Ano itong Itong pipino lang naman to. Maliit na pipino, di ba nila? Ito. Sarap din. Ang pinaka-bet ko sa mga sausawan, kasi yung pinaka-maanghang na brownish, yun yung pinaka-bet ko sa sausawan. Tolerable yung anghang niya, not extremely maanghang. Sarap. The best. Parang gusto ko magsaro ng sauce na yan talaga. Okay? Sarap. And of course, may sabaw. Sarap. The best. Okay? So guys, nag-order na ako ng Lipton iced tea, yung bottled na. Ayan. 30 pesos or 15 baht. No, not 28 pesos siguro. Nanginili ako ng yellow na nilagay nila sa isang basong stainless. Okay, tikman natin. Ang sarap. So refreshing. Diba may straw? Pero hindi ako nag-straw. Mas masarap yung baso. Okay. So let's continue eating, guys. So guys, tapos tayong kumain. At yan muna yung aftermath. Hindi halatang sarap na sarap sa pagkain, no? At hindi halatang gutom na gutom ako. Pero guys, yan na muna yung kakainin natin for today, no? Okay, so magbabayad na tayo ngayon, guys. Nag-order ako ng 95 na set ng food. Tsaka yung Lipton. So it's 100. It's 110. Tama ba? 95 plus 15. 110. So, magbabayad ito ng 110. Kaso wala akong variables. I only have 1,000. 1,000 ba? Sana may panukli sila. Sana hindi sila magalit sa akin. At hindi nila ako kukutsain dahil malaki yung bill ko. I will pay. Magbabayad na ako,